Welcome to Spectral Productions, where we take you behind the scenes of our first independent computer animated series, The Last Rite. I'm Chad Morgan, and this is our Last Rite update for April 2014. This month we launched the website for The Last Rite. We're still adding content and working out some of the bugs, but if you want to check out the site and learn a little bit about our project, click on the link down below. The first season of The Last Rite spans 12 episodes. 12 episodes is a lot to build for an independent self-funded project. So we took a small section of it and began turning that into The Last Rite Exposure as kind of a pilot episode. We've been focusing on the first shot group this month, which includes 2 different effect shots. The first shot we've worked out how to do is where Daniel, in his nightmare, succumbs to the infection that he received from a bite from one of the monsters and turns into a raving monster himself. And creating this effect sends us to our first installment of Quick and Dirty. In order for Daniel's arm to morph into the monster version, we need to do 2 different things. We need to blend between 2 different sets of textures while at the same time controlling a blend shape. The trick is that we want the blend to radiate out from the bite mark that infected Daniel. Let's start with the textures. To morph the color maps as well as our vector displacement maps, we needed some kind of color blend node. Since we're using Mental Ray, we had good luck using the MIB color mix node. Driving the blend value, we used a ramp texture. We set it to circular and used the 2D placement node to shift the ramp over to the bite mark. To control the blend shape will take a little bit more work. If you go into the Paint Blend Shape Weights tool, you see a button for setting the keys for your weight. That was our hint on how we were going to get this effect working. When you set that key, you'll see atom curves plugged into an attribute on the blend shape node corresponding to the weight of each individual vertex. All we needed was a different way to drive those weights. We'll create a copy of the mesh and apply our ramp texture to it. A quick expression will query the color of the copy per vertex and use that color information to set the weight on the matching vertex of the blend shape. This effect is very slow, but it does work. Was that a bit too quick? Not to worry, a detailed tutorial is coming out shortly, so subscribe to catch it when it comes out. So that's it for this month. Catch us next month for more updates of The Last Rite. But be warned, in the world of The Last Rite, some secrets are never meant to be found.